Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. So we are making butter cookies, but this is a different type of butter cookies. This is mainly used during the Christmas and those kind of things. So we are going to try it out today. So we have our butter here, which is 1 cup. Then this is our flour, our powdered sugar, and then this is our flavor, which is optional. You can skip this, but it will still taste amazing, but I want to add that to it. This is a 3 ingredients cookie. So let's get started. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So we are going to cream this for 1 to 2 minutes. So we are going to give it a stir, ensuring that everything is well mixed up. This is how it looks like. Very fluffy and soft. So we are going to deattach it, remove it, and then clean off some of the butter and sugar mix. So I'm going to sift half of the flour, so this is it. We place it back in, add the paddle attachments, and then stir everything together. Adding in the last cup of flour, sift it. So I'll place it back in and then we fix it to the stand mixer. Place in the attachments and then mix this one too, starting with the lower speed. So this is it. Now I'll use my hands, remove it, every single piece from the attachments, and then remove it from the bowl and place it here. So we are going to mold it into a log, so like this. We are going to wrap it in cling film. So I'm sliding it off from here straight onto the cling film, and then like this. 30 minutes in the freezer or 60 minutes in the fridge. So this is it. After picking it out of the fridge, you can see how firm it is. We are going to unravel it, and then this is it. So with the knife, we are going to cut it like this. This is about 1.2 inch thickness. So arrange them. And then we'll bake this at 160 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. This is it. Everything is perfectly baked. This is the first batch and this is the second batch. Since this is still hot, we can't really touch it, so let's deal with this, as you can see, and then a closer look. Look at that. See? Very crisp and delicious. So you can try this and then let me know how it was in the comment section.
And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This year, I would like you to try every recipe that we post on the channel and then give me feedback in the comment section. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notification icon with the inscription all, so that every Thursday and Sunday if we post new videos, you will find it. And we post short videos from Monday to Sunday, so you can check that out as well. Follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and here on YouTube by subscribing. Help us to grow this channel. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.